Let's immerse yourself in the world of giant machines, where power and technology blend to create eye-catching performances. You won't be able to take your eyes off the spectacular performances, where mechanical art is demonstrated at its peak. Can you imagine a giant wood saw operating with incredible speed and precision? Let's explore the mysteries behind these machines and admire their extraordinary power. Watching them use the chainsaw with the sophistication and virtuosity of a skilled craftsman, the Husqvarna 572 XP easily conquers the hardest wood, bringing a feeling of absolute control and precision. Low VIB anti-vibration system protects hands, allowing continuous work without fatigue. This video proves that with the right skills and the perfect tools, anything can become a masterpiece. Haha, he probably wants to transform into a professional motorcyclist. If you find the video interesting, please like and subscribe to the channel to follow the next videos. In the vast forests of Sweden can't do it. The Hypro 755 HB harvester, equipped with the cutting-edge Hypro FG4 clamp, easily handles trees up to 45 cm thick, even with complex root systems. The machine operates with surgical precision, promoting the growth of a healthy forest ecosystem. The X15 excavator log saw 13T case is a reliable companion in the logging industry. With a special design, this chainsaw attaches to a 13-ton excavator, providing outstanding stability and power to handle large and tough tree trunks. Thanks to the powerful hydraulic system, the X15 can easily cut through large logs in just a short time, improving work efficiency in the forest. Where can you find so many professional lumberjacks with such infinite wisdom? The job of cutting wood is not easy, but lumberjacks always work with enthusiasm and perseverance. Honoring their efforts is admirable. CNC Equipment Bobcat T190 skid steer attachment processor is considered a powerful supermachine for splitting wood, with a weight of 1,200 kg and high hydraulic capacity, easily cutting large logs. compact and flexible design helps the machine operate effectively in all terrains, from small gardens to large forests. Compared with traditional methods, the machine saves time and effort while delivering superior performance. With advanced two-flywheel technology, the TFG55 PTO wood chipper turns tough tree branches into harmless in just a blink of an eye, providing outstanding working efficiency. Smart, user-friendly design, making the maintenance process simple and fast. Capable of handling tree branches up to 5 inches in diameter, and at an attractive price of $2,500, $3,000. The TFG55 PTO is definitely the #1 choice for small-scale wood chipping jobs, from home gardens to small farms. The SAN-NNA-BOGE N830 mobile trailer makes a strong impression in wood logistics in Germany. With its flexible mobile design, the machine handles and transports huge logs with ease, thanks to its impressive lifting and rotating capabilities. The ability to move smoothly helps the machine overcome all terrain, which is beneficial in logging. Each heavy log, when unloaded, caused loss of balance and capsized the barge. A slight wave or a sudden impact is enough to change the whole process. Each CK shingle main made cedar tile is the product of a meticulous manufacturing process, from the selection of high-quality cedar to the use of state-of-the-art machinery at the mill. Here, the wood is trimmed, planed, and treated to ensure outstanding